What's up, guys? What is up, guys? First thing on the agenda today, we have to get the letters off of the windows. It's starting to bother me. It's starting to get annoying. I'm kind of like, don't want to roll my windows down because I don't want to mess it up. And I painted on one of the wheels yesterday, so I either need to send it and paint all the wheels or take the paint off, one of the two. So that's first thing on the agenda today. Great Monday morning for you guys. Hope you guys are waking up motivated. Let's get some bread today. Busy on it today. I'm gonna have to come back and look at that. Damn, got some tires going on the Bourbon over here too. The XDs, cream colored Bourbon. Yes, sir. Whoa, we got FabTech lift on it. Clean. Damn, look at this truck pulling up to the shop. Dang. All right, I see you. Dang. Thing look good. So y'all had seen the Suburban already, got the aftermarket headlights in it. The XDs, getting some new tires today. Looks like a pretty fresh lift kit on it. But I wanted to come look at this thing. Ooh. I had to make a trip over here to see, God damn. Jeez. The FTS. 12-inch FTS. God damn. That's a big truck. That thing looks so good though. Holy crap. Smoke taillights. Got the red brake calipers. Damn, I love this truck. Jeez. It just needs some 5% windshield tint and call it a day. It's even got the color matched fender flares and the blacked out. Damn. That thing looks good. 26 by 14 FORGIATOS, custom painted FORGIATOS with some 40, 15, 50 26s. You got the full FTS lift kit on it with the rigid light bars on the front. This is clean. Like there's no rust on the brake pads or on the brake calipers. Sorry, there's no rust on the rotors. Brand new ball, like brand new everything. Got the upgraded tie rods. Man, this thing is stupid clean. Got the red brake calipers back there. Man, that thing is stupid clean. Dual reservoir shocks in the back. Got the coilovers on the front. Man, that thing looks so good. And like I said earlier, it's got the color match fender flares with the smoked LED side markers. Dang, that thing is. Ooh. Got the blacked out emblems, the red logos. Wonder if it's probably unlocked. Oh look, they've actually wrapped the door handles. That's pretty cool. Man, look at that thing. I'm not gonna get in because it's not mine, but got the switches for the light bars, sunroof. Dang, that thing is clean. Hell yeah. Love that. DURAMAX. Look at this 1500 real quick. Looks like it's got a 7 to 9 inch ready lift on it with some rock stars. Brand new lift kit as well. I don't know. I think if I could put wider wheels and tires, I'd rather have this one than the DURAMAX. That's just me personally, but I really like this one too. Damn. Color matched bumpers. I love that. After a little bit of, I would say, shit talking that I gave them the other day about their company vehicle here, it looks like I didn't expect they'd go 5%, but they went 5% on the company.
It's actually clean. It just so happened we wanted to do this.
Well, I was on the way to the liquor store the other night, and
dude, you didn't have to say anything. I just saw the video, and I'm like, dude, our shit looks like shit.
How you gonna own a tint shop and your company vehicle's fish bowling?
Hey, dude,
that's crazy. But now you got 5%.
You're talking about the tent. I was talking about how trashy it looked.
No, I was talking about the tent on it.
Oh man, at least you were being nice about it.
Oh no, I don't care about the dude. Have you seen the inside of my truck?
What? Dude, have you seen the inside of this?
No. Let's not get into that. So, final product, our favorite wine, favorite color flowers. Some bread creeping in the background. Look in the freezer. Her favorite thing will be a chilled glass with a little dude hanging off the side. Yes, we have a lot of cake. Ooh, some bread, more bread back there. Some waffles, some smoothies. Whatever the hell's down there, some chicken or something. Hell yeah. Long day at work today. Woo. Yeah, probably my longest day at work that I've had. Look at I'm all dirty. This is ridiculous. I got most of the paint off. I mean, even though there's a lot of residue left. But I'm up here at the tent shop, came to stop by, see what the boys are up to. Always working on something. Always got something going on. Gotta keep working. What's up, guys? Huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Effin' Fast license plate covers. Why are they effing fast? Because they're fast. And actually why are they effing fast? Speed, standing still, effing fast. If you haven't checked them out, check their Instagram out right below. Check it out. You guys are the best. I know you guys will go show love to them. Go show love. While she's not home, I guess I can tell you guys, she's not home. I stopped and got her some wine today, which I get all the time. Got her some flowers, her favorite color. No special occasion. I like to spoil my girl sometimes. And she's gonna get pissed at me for filming inside the... I actually stopped and got some public chicken and some steaks for tomorrow. I'll show you guys the steaks tomorrow. But I did get some, she likes salmon, so we got some salmon today too. Just in case she wants to cook it when she gets home from the gym. Gotta spoil my girl every now and then, right? I wanna let y'all know I had every intention of starting the wheel lights on the Tahoe tonight, but she got home real late, and then obviously, before I even know it, it's 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, and I ain't starting that now. I'll tell you that much. But hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Day 102 in the books. That Y bow tie out of here. Let's get this bread.